Okay, now, regarding presentation of liabilities. So, in accordance with PAS1, so may mga tinatawag na line items. And the line items, okay, required by PAS1 include, okay, the following. So, merong yung ating topic, okay, yung trade and other payables, mandatory line item yan. So, other required line items, yan, another topic later, provisions. Okay, so yung hindi kasama sa A and B, so financial liabilities. So, generally, ito yung mga borrowings. Okay, so liabilities for current tax. Okay, so later, pag-usapan natin yan sa accounting for income tax. So, notice, basta related sa income tax, separate line item. Whether yan ay current or deferred. Okay, so current tax payable or income tax payable, deferred tax liability, separate line item. So yung letter F, in relation yan to insurance. Okay, so yung groups of contracts within the scope of PFRS 17 that are liabilities. So disaggregated into insurance contracts issued and reinsurance contracts held. So in case the entity is an insurance company. And then, as discussed previously, kapag merong liabilities related to what? Disposal groups. So, kung yung asset ay nakapresent separately, dapat ganun din yung related liabilities. So, yan yung mga line items. Okay? So, required to be presented. Ibig sabihin ng minimum line items, so required yan to be presented on the face of the statement of financial position. So where? Pwede sa current, non-current. So depende dun sa characteristics ng liability. So whether mamimit niya yung characteristics ng current or non-current. Okay? Now, sample presentation. So tingnan nga natin. Okay, so in relation dun sa trade and other payables. Okay, so notice, ang ginamit pa rin ni JG Summit, accounts payable and accrued expenses. So, kasi nga, generally, ang makikita natin dyan sa trade and other payables, yan, accounts payable and accrued expenses. Kaya instead na tinawag na trade and other payables, tinawag na lang na accounts payable and accrued expenses. So, notice, no, yung sa income tax, yan. So, separate line item. Ito yung example ng mga financial liabilities na hindi provisions, na hindi trade and other payables. So, sample presentation. Okay, ito namang si Jollibee, yon ginamit niya, trade payables and other current liabilities, and in-specify niya yung contract liabilities. So, meron din siya para sa income tax. Okay, so yan, provisions. Okay, next. So ito naman San Miguel, katulad siya ni JG Summit, hindi nila ginamit yung trade and other payables. Instead, yung typical items ba nakasama doon sa line item na yan? Accounts payable and accrued expenses. Okay, and in relation to that line item, yan, trade and other payables, okay, number 6, include, exclude. Yan. Trade and other payables? Yan. Yes or no? Okay, so generally, anong kasama dyan? Accounts payable, notes payable trade, and accruals. And other payables. So, accounts payable include. Bank overdraft exclude. So again, normally reported yan as short-term borrowing. So kasama siya dun sa financial liabilities. Bonds exclude. Okay, financial liabilities, borrowings. So ang borrowings normally reported yan separately. Cash dividends payable include. Commissions payable include. Deferred tax liability exclude. So separate line item yan. Income tax payable exclude, separate line item also. So pag pinresent ang liability for income tax, whether current or deferred, line item. Interest payable include. Liability for premiums exclude. Okay, provisions. Yan. Example yan ng provisions. Liability for warranties, exclude provisions also. Mortgage payable, exclude borrowings. Notes payable, silent. Kapag silent, ang mga notes payable, trade. So, include. Notes payable to bank, exclude. Borrowings yan. So, ang borrowings, again, separate line item. Salaries payable, include. Share dividends payable, exclude. That is not a liability. So dahil ang pangbayad dyan ay shares, so consider dyan as equity component. So pag pinresent yan, okay, equity component. Okay, SSS premiums payable, include. Okay, so yung mga payable sa mga government agencies na winibithold yan. Okay, so and yung contribution required from the employer, so from the entity, so part siya ng other payables. Unearned rent, exclude. So reported yan as other current liabilities. So para sa mga prepayments, kung ang prepayments ay other current assets, okay, so yung unearned rent para din siyang okay, prepayments. Ito naman deferral, so other current liabilities. Okay, withholding tax payable, include. Okay, get the total. Line item, trade, and other payables. So again, that is a line item required by PAS1. And presented yan as current. Okay, so line item yan under current liabilities. Okay, so number 6, letter A. Okay, so in general in general, so yung mga okay, trade and other payables, notes, accounts and notes payable trade, accruals, and other payables. Okay, so in this material, yung mga next problems natin, okay, accounts payable and accruals. So we'll have a separate discussion on notes payable. Okay, tapos yun yung after that, bonds. Okay, so number 7 up to number 9, accounts payable. So the rest, okay, accruals. Yan. Okay, so discuss natin yan. Accounts payable and accruals in the next video. Okay.